Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the system language on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Language. Now to change the language of your Samsung phone, just tap on Add Language and select a language from the languages list over here. For an example, I will select this one. Then tap on Set as Default. And once you do that, you will change the language of your Samsung phone. Just like that. And you can also add multiple languages to this list. Now just select multiple languages and add them to this list. Just like that. And you can switch between the languages by selecting the language, then tap on Apply. And this is how you can change the system language on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.